It's autumn again, and I can tell because this is all I hear all day, every day. Leaf blowers, they're deafening. I hate them, so I've never had one. Instead, for 35 years, we've cleared a good half acre of heavily matted oak leaves every fall with a rake and a tarp. I'll admit leaf blowers are less physical effort, but I'm not convinced they're any faster. Seems to me a lot of my neighbors with mechanized equipment spend more time on this than we do. For a rake, I like the metal ones best. They're springier than plastic or bamboo, and that's better for dislodging leaves from the grass. Here's the tarp. It's burlap, 12 feet long by 7.5 feet wide. You can use a plastic one, but the burlap folds up more easily for storage, and it's more durable. I've had this one for more than 10 years. I've laced a rope through the grommets on 3 sides, leaving one of the short ends open. You want to tie one knot on each side between the first and second grommets at the open end. It's just enough slack so that the tarp will lie flat with the knot at the second grommet. Then I'll stake out an area about 4 or 5 times larger than the tarp, depending on how thick the leaves are, and just start raking toward the tarp. If the yard is sloped, you want to rake mostly or exclusively downhill. Also, be sure to pick a dry day. If it's rained overnight, wait a day or two till the leaves dry out. Otherwise, they can get too heavy. When the leaves get close to the tarp, I'll stand on the edge to keep it from flipping up and shove the pile onto the tarp. Once I get a load, I'll fold over the 2 far corners and pull on the 2 ropes. The ropes will compress the tarp into a nice basket, but the knots will hit the corner grommets and prevent it from collapsing into a ball. Then I'll just drag the tarp to the leaf pile with the ropes. Pull the leaves up onto one side of the pile. Slacken the rope on both sides. And flip the leaves up onto the top of the pile. You can get a nice tall and compact pile that way. We could pay the county to take the leaves away, but instead we keep them in an inconspicuous spot in the yard and use them in the spring as mulch to keep down weeds in the garden. Any leftover we keep for a second year, and they decompose into leaf mold, which is a nice crumbly compost that can be tilled directly into the garden to improve the soil structure. So that's my pitch for leaf raking, and thanks for watching.